Hello, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Orchard Park, New York. We're installing Platino Quartzite today. It's an exotic material. We have a large island, almost a full slab to install, with a L shape with a seam. We have a full slab island come out of our van here with the crane. We're actually going to make this easier. We've got some blocks of wood we put on the ground. We're going to put our roller ramp on top of that. That'll raise our cart up enough so we are just about level with the floor of the van, and that way we can put this piece right onto our cart without having to lift it. Hi, it's Andy back here again with All Kitchens Amazing. We're just finishing up this install. This install took us around 3 hours. We're all, from the time we pulled in to being all packed up and pulling out, we're all set to leave here. This job had a full slab island, which was a bit of a challenge. We had a undermount sink here that just fit into the cabinet. That was a little bit of a challenge also. This seam here, the only seam on this job, came out absolutely perfect. I'd say from a couple feet away you can't even see it. Our grain matching department back at the shop did a fantastic job putting that together. Overall, I'd say this job pretty near 100%.